Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials: updated phone, Microsoft account, and Wi-Fi. Now open the Xbox app and sign in. Choose the account tied to your console or Game Pass. Once signed in, grant permissions for microphone and storage so streaming and captures work. Make sure app updates completed. If not, pause and update to avoid compatibility issues. After granting permissions, tap the menu to locate devices and streaming options. This starts the connection sequence you'll finish next. Now you connect. Choose whether to use console, remote play, or cloud gaming. If console, put the console on and ensure it's on the same Wi-Fi. Tap Add Console, enter the code shown, and accept the connection on your TV. For cloud, open Xbox Cloud Gaming and pick a Game Pass title. Signing in once links your saves. Once connected, pair your controller via Bluetooth or use the on-screen controls. Adjust quality settings to balance latency and resolution before you press play. Launch the game and test controls immediately. You'll feel if latency is acceptable. If gameplay is choppy, lower streaming quality and retest. If connection fails, quit the app and relaunch, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, or sign out and sign back in to clear session issues. Also restart your console or router if necessary. For persistent problems, move closer to the router, use 5 GHz or wired Ethernet for the console, and ensure no heavy downloads run on the network. This usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.